Hello, party people. Today we're going to be looking at a quick fix for the issue with the background color in Google Slides. If you go to an application like Keynote, you can instantly see the background color is nice and dark. So you can always make out the edges of your document. Here, the contrast is too low, and especially when you're working with a well-fit zoom level, you really can't tell. So what you're going to want to do is open up your developer console, make sure that the HTML elements are loaded in. So sometimes it takes a couple attempts, and then get your CSS overview and go over to the third color. The third color, F8, F9, FA, determines the background of, I'm not sure about these two, but this one, the third one, workspace container, is the workspace container. Click on it once, go over to the side here. It'll automatically be highlighted, but you want to go over here and change this to the hex code of the numbers that you do want. So hex is usually three or six digits. So I find 333 or 333 works nicely, as well as 999, and then you can basically go through any grayscale mono value. I personally not like a really dark background, but not 000. Something around 333 really works for me. So hope that helps. Have a good day.